Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Realme 10 5G. Power off your Realme 10 5G by pressing and holding the power key and volume up key simultaneously. Then swipe down to power off. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Release the power key when the Realme logo appears on the screen. Stop pressing the volume down button and use the touchscreen to select the English language option. You will enter the recovery mode menu. Select the wipe data option, enter the verification code if promoted, then choose the format data procedure. Confirm the format and wait for the process to complete. Then select OK. Be aware that all your files, including images, movies, and music, will be removed during this operation. After the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.